You chose CAT equipment to get the most for your business. But to get the most from your equipment, it's all about keeping it easy to own and ready to work. That's a CVA. CAT Customer Value Agreements are just what the name says. A hassle-free ownership plan to bring additional value to your machine and operation. Get the right parts right on schedule for planned maintenance. That's a CVA. Track machine hours, location, and utilization, all in the palm of your hand. That's a CVA. Manage equipment health, reduce risk with an EPP, and get it all rolled in with your monthly machine payment. That's a CVA. Your dealer offers a wide range of CVA options. No matter what CVA you choose, it's a path to easy ownership and convenience in your day-to-day equipment management. That starts with security of expert dealer support. Your equipment protection plan. If covered issues occur on major components or technology, your EPP can protect you from unexpected repair costs. For routine upkeep, CVAs deliver hassle-free maintenance. No, really. The genuine CAT parts you need are made available for you right when service is due. That's part of our services commitment. Now let's talk about peace of mind from equipment health management. CVAs open you up to different monitoring tools like VisionLink, SOS fluid analysis, and condition monitoring. Also, you can track your machine's health the way you want. Hassle-free ownership provides convenient advice and tips for your operation. And to manage finances, there's nothing more convenient. CVAs can be rolled into your monthly machine payment. You see, CVAs are an open door to all the tools, technology, parts, and support you need to keep your machines on the job and your peace of mind protected. So take the next step forward. Talk to your CAT dealer about a CVA today.